Hi friends. Today we will learn an interesting facts about the phylum Arthropoda. Earlier we learned poda and podium. These are the Greek terms. Poda means feet, podium means foot. We learned about it. Now what come under this phylum Arthropoda? All insects come under this phylum Arthropoda. Why are they called arthropods? See, arthro means jointed, poda means legs. Legs means locomotory organs, organs of locomotion. So, as they have jointed legs, these insects come under the phylum Arthropoda. Whenever they want to move on land, they use these jointed legs, but sometimes they fly to shorter distances also. For that, they have one or two pairs of wings. So they can not only walk on land, they can fly in air also. Not only that, they have compound eyes. What is meant by compound eyes? Each eye of insect has many single eyes. So they have a pair of compound eyes. That is also a really wonderful aspect in arthropods.
Here you can observe its compound eyes.
One more important characteristics of these arthropods is they are cold-blooded creatures. What comes under this arthropod category? All insects like houseflies, cockroaches, by which we are troubled at home. Not only that, crabs, grasshoppers, beautiful butterflies, and many more are there which come under this category arthropods. Let us watch some images.
Now let us observe this image very keenly. These arthropods' bodies are segmented into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Now, why do we think this comes under arthropod? This insect has three pairs of jointed legs. Did you observe it carefully? Yes, it has three pairs of jointed legs and it has a pair of wings. It also has compound eyes. Now look at the flight of beautiful butterfly. See how beautifully it is flying. What is the initial stage of this butterfly? Yes, caterpillar. Caterpillar slowly turns into a beautiful butterfly and it can fly to wherever it wants to. See how beautiful it is. Now look at this creature. It might have come to take nectar from the flower. Whoa, another insect has come. You science students, whenever you learn anything practically, you can have better understanding of it, right? Many inventions of our scientists are based on these creatures. They observe these creatures very keenly and then they invent many aspects. It's really wonderful creation of God. What do you see in this image? Honeybees. Now they are walking with their jointed legs. Now we are flying. Let us come with some more interesting aspects. Till then, bye.